Single bed?
Single bed.
Two bed?
Two beds.
Ako ito dito sa'yo nga, ano nga. Tama ka lagay ito niya. Tuwa nga ko ito, panigul kikuha di saan kapit. Tawas ko. Siri ba ka mo din ni Gino? Sige lang. Ito. Anak lagi, jura na ito, nanginano sa gawas. Kabuan. Yung bayan, anak lagi sa gawas. Parang na hindi man nagpurot nga bag. Para makamdi ilaw. Wala mo good kami lagi di space ni Mayang. Pangang kahit na. Turukso kay kiti da niyan.
I'm not longer tired anymore because
Turukso kay kiti yan da.
Puro sa madigest.
Doon na kami sa gutom. Talip din na. Pagkaon. Pag sa hotel ka din mo siya magkukuam. Yeah. Pag sa hotel ka din mo siya mabubok. Libre ng breakfast. Tapos mas barato pa rate.
Pag tingin niya mo, di na.
Booking.
Mapagmawang siya magpabok.
Mga first to add is coming sa ugal. May dryer to.
Ano nga pala ka mo?
hello guys.
We're doing a sleepover at Radisson. Oh, Radisson.
Yeah, social.
Oh, show your room. Show your room.
Look guys. And this is our
Yeah.
look, Auntie Joanna who supported my goal.
Supported your goal. Agati Jing is still there eating.
And yummy.
Yamming. And my is here. My. We have coffee for free. I don't know how to operate this. Maybe we have to throw the water here. And then fill the water with tank with cold water and place coffee pot on the roof. So first you're gonna throw the coffee pot.
Hi vlog,
I
welcome.
think this is the pan. Which one is the pan? This one. So we're gonna throw the coffee pot. This is so cute. You turn it on. Yes. So my why? How come this light is working? How did you put it on? Only one is working. I put on the other one is not working. And Ate Jing. Shout out. Ate Jing. Ate Jing. Say the way. Yes. You love? You lend us the key. Wow. Look at that hand. I like that style. And in the bed. That's above the bed. There is that one behind. A light.
A socket here.
Oh. That's the light inside. And there's this extra light. Turn it up down. Oh. How come the one by Ate Joanna does not work? If you want to read. Pang rich man. Rich kid.
Buntis na sabi ni.
Oh, may nasirap one. Freeway. Wow. Kapag kung ito kundi rin na uran, mag-booking. So guys, here's our room for today's video. Oh, so naunak sa yung pagkaturog?
Yeah.
Talaga? Kaya ano? Ay, kaya ang kakapi mo na ito. Tapos nag-iinubo kaliwat. Oh, look at the beautiful kuan. Ay, may maghuba ka na, malipat ka. Ano eh, nabri na bitana. Oh. Purple view. Look at the beautiful Trinidad Island. No, island. City. City country. Wow. That's our supa-supa. Ito po yung ano namin.
Gusto ko muna ito mag-bowling.
Ano?
Pakanto ko no kids sa
Hindi na mga barato pa ko ni siya.
Movie Town C3 Center.
Oh, movie lang. Guys, first time tayo maliligo dito sa expensive banyo. Ooh, look at that. Lovely banyo. Okay. Ooh, look guys, good morning. Good morning, Trinidad. First time we'll be bathing in this expensive washroom. Wow, look at that. Look at that sink. Look at this mirror, the glass. Oh, look at that. Ay, Raya naman kita. Uy, may libre. Oh, free. Free lang. Gel, shower gel, shampoo. For take home ka, okay? For take home. Wow! Ikaw lang, for take home ka? O, sige, makarigo na kita. See you later. We'll get ready now. Abo!